Do you know how Vishnu came to Pandharpur? Stay till the end because this is not how gods usually arrive. Long before Pandharpur became a pilgrimage, long before the rivers saw crowds and chants, there lived a man whose life never revolved around God. His name was Pundalik. He was not a saint. He was not performing penance. He was not waiting for blessings. His entire world was confined to one space, his aging parents. Every day he washed their tired feet. He fed them before feeding himself. He carried them when their bodies failed. He stayed awake when they could not sleep. There was no audience, there was no reward, only duty. That is what caught God Vishnu's attention. Not prayers, not rituals, but service done so completely that the person performing it disappeared. So Vishnu came down to earth, quietly, without thunder, without announcement. He arrived on the banks of the river, standing before Pundalik, expecting what gods are always offered, attention. But Pundalik did not turn. His parents were resting on his lap. Their breathing was shallow. Their comfort could not wait. Vishnu stood there. Still, Pundalik did not look up. Instead, he reached down, picked up a brick from the ground, and slid it gently forward. Stand here, he said. I will come when my duty is done. The world paused. This was not disrespect. This was not arrogance. This was clarity. No curse followed. No anger rose. No voice filled the sky. Vishnu stepped onto the brick and he waited. The river flowed, the sun moved, time continued. And Vishnu did not leave because in that moment something rare happened. A human did not reject God. A human simply refused to abandon responsibility. And God understood that service done without display is greater than devotion done for reward. That care offered daily, without witnesses, is purer than prayers offered once in desperation. Vishnu chose to remain there, standing, hands on his hips, grounded, still. In Pandharpur's own telling, he is remembered by that moment, Vittal, the one who stood on a brick when duty came first. Pandharpur is not a place where humans wait for God. It is a place where God learned to wait for humans. And once he learned that, he stayed. If you enjoyed watching this story, comment Jai Vittala and follow Temple Girl for the real stories behind our ancient temples.